We're trying to figure out the value of s, and we know xn is not equal to 0. So let's take this complex fraction and look at the secondary denominators. Those are the ones I'm circling, and figure out what would be your least common denominator for an n, an x, and a 3x. Well, it would have to be 3xn. And I'm going to multiply the top by 3xn, top being the primary numerator. So multiply, let me change color. Multiply this piece by 3xn. So you got 2 over n times 3xn. You see how those n's cancel? And you're left with 6x. No more complex in the top. And now multiply this by 3xn. And you see how the x's cancel? You're left with 3n. And now multiply this by 3xn. 3x's cancel, and you're left with 2n. So this is 6x over 5n. It's a much nicer form. Now look at clue 1, x equals 2n. That will work. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, because if you know it will work, don't do this. Go on to clue 2. But if x equals 2n, you got 6 times 2n over 5n. You see how the n's cancel? So it'd be 12/5. So that works. Clue 1 works. Now forget about clue 1 and look at clue 2. It's not going to work because you've got 6x over 5 times 1/2, and I don't know what x is. So only clue 1 works. That means your answer's A.